Hey everyone, welcome. In this video, I will show you how to set up your Verizon Home Internet. Let's talk about it. Setting up Verizon Home Internet is quick and easy. So in this one, I will run you through the steps to get your connection up and running. First, unbox your Verizon router, power, and adapter. Also, Ethernet cable and any included instructions. After that, plug the power adapter into your router and connect it to a nearby outlet. Next, if your service uses a cable connection, attach the coaxial cable securely. For 5G home internet, skip this step and proceed to the next. Place your router in a central, elevated location, preferably near a window to ensure the best signal and performance. After that, download the Verizon Home app on your phone and sign in. Follow the app's step-by-step instructions to activate your internet service. It will guide you through connecting your devices. Once the router is active, locate your Wi-Fi network name and password on the back of the device. Connect your devices to the network and you're good to go. And that's basically it. Your Verizon Home Internet is now set up and ready to use. For any troubleshooting, visit the Verizon support page, links in the video description. Enjoy your new connection. Thank you for watching, guys. Like and subscribe for more helpful tech tutorials. See you next time.